how to set your audio messages to never expire or expire after 2 minutes on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on Messages. Next, we go down and tap on Expire in the Audio Messages section. In here, you could choose after 2 minutes or never. If you never want your audio file to be expired or deleted, choose never. Otherwise, select after 2 minutes, and so that when you send or listen to an audio message, it will automatically be removed from your conversation history after 2 minutes. And that's it. Select one of the two options, and then you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.